how to open DoorDash driver account. If you want to open up a DoorDash driver account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open your browser, and from the top left you want to simply go to dasher.doordash.com. Then once you go to dasher.doordash.com, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. Now here you can see it says you can sign up to become a dasher, but first you must enter your postal code. So enter the postal code as to where you live and then just hit the next option. Then after that, you want to simply make sure to enter your email address which you want to use for your DoorDash Dasher account. So enter the email, make sure you have access to it, hit the next button after that. Then once you hit the next option, you must sign up to become a dasher by using your US, Canada, Australia or New Zealand number. So make sure to enter your phone number, hit the sign up button. Once you've verified it, enter a couple of information. Now, of course, having your driver's license and all of those is actually mandatory, so you can find on the requirements list as well. But basically, once you complete a couple of these steps and verify a couple of other documents, your DoorDash Dasher account will be successfully created. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.